Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to download and add a custom font in our video clip. So without any further delay, let's start it. This time from this project media tab, I just click and drag a sample video in timeline. Now to add a text, I just simply right click on this and insert a video track and right click on this again on this new track and select insert text media. And here you see bunch of different type of fonts. What happens if you want to add your own custom font in your video clip? Actually, process is pretty simple. Simply open your browser, go to google.com and then search for the font. Then click on the first link, thefont.com. This is a website with lots of cool fonts and all of these are absolutely free. This time I select this top category and these are the most popular fonts. Now let's say this time we download this Moonflower font. To download this one, I just hit on download and our downloading is now complete. I just open this app and extract it here. And open this font and install it on my computer. So our downloading is now complete. Now I go back to the Vegas Pro software. After zooming my timeline, I just simply click on this generated media icon. Now I select this whole text. And from this drop down menu, let's search for Moonflower font. But at the very first time, you don't get this one. That's because to reload this new custom font, we need to restart this software. But before restarting, we just save our project in desktop. I type my file name, custom font, and .veg is Vegas Pro software project extension. Now I hit on save and close this one and open our project file. Now I zoom my timeline, select generated media icon and select this whole text, and from this drop down menu, let's search for Moonflower font. Here it is. This time I type Google Pixel and scale down a little bit more and set this text block right here. And now I just close this. Let's play this clip now.
So this is a two-piece case / lens combo for Moment, and how it works is you pop on the case and that then adds a layer of modularity in the sense.
Pretty cool, right? In this way, you can easily download and add custom font in your video clip. Thank you so much for watching.